Hey guys, BroTechSplit here, back again with another new video. On this video, we'll be working on how you can get started with TryHackMe, a beginner's guide to cybersecurity. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with TryHackMe, which is the best platform for beginners learning cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Actually, it have over 4.9 million registered users who are using it. It's not specifically based on ethical hackers, but everyone in globally who wants to engage in cybersecurity and ethical learning. So in this tutorial, you'll be able to learn how you can create a TryHackMe account. That will be the first thing we'll do. Then learn how to navigate on the TryHackMe dashboard and rooms, understanding how guided labs work in TryHackMe, setting up your AttackBox or Kali machine, which you will be using to work out on some of the rooms. And also, last but not the least, tips to get your first badge and start your learning path with TryHackMe. So what I can tell you is TryHackMe is perfect for beginners and who wants to enter into the world of ethical hacking with hands-on practice. So with much said, let us dive into it. So first, you'll visit their site, which is TryHackMe. I'll show you how you can do that. So here, the first link, learn cybersecurity or TryHackMe cybersecurity training. Just click the first link and navigate to their page. So you'll just scroll down and read whichever or whatever is present on their page if you want so or want to do so. You also see what they offer, cybersecurity training for your team. So basically, this means also cybersecurity has offered a room for those who want their business or who have the cybersecurity businesses and wants to advance their employees skills in cybersecurity. TryHackMe also offers that opportunity. These are some of the several learning paths that they are offered. So let us start on how you can create an account. So here we just click here, join for free, so that you can register. Then you'll sign up, you'll use your username, email, password. After setting up, you will be redirected to your home or your TryHackMe dashboard. So let me log in because I have an account there. Let me just log in. I'll use my official email that I use in TryHackMe, and I will log in. So I'll be redirected to my dashboard. So you'll see how my dashboard looks like. So this is one of my several learning paths that I have engaged in. You also have there is also a league that is there. So yeah, if you have a strike 0, meaning that you have not engaged in any room recently. So if you engage in any room and answer any question, your strike increases. That is daily. Here down here, you'll have your username and the level that you are at and your rank worldwide. This will be your rank and the percentage that you are, if you are top 1%, top 2, top 3, top 5, top 10, and also the current points that you have gained through all those rooms, and the number of rooms that you have engaged in or involved yourself in, and the badges that you have. Down here below, you'll have your skill matrix, the skills that you're currently leveraging or trying to increase. secondly, so here you have the link to choose a learning path here. Also the challenges. Also in track also get certified, and also security operation center, SOC simulator. And also a compete page here where you will see you can see your league, the leagues that you have engaged in. Also some other rooms here like King of the Hills, and also your leaderboards platform ranking. So in here you will see your rank. You can change the country that you are in here. Also you can change, you can check your rank. You can also see your rank worldwide. Here is mine, so also yours will also be here. And also you can see the first one of our very best performers or hackers that we have in the world, that is OD or 0 day, not OD, sorry for that. So secondly, so let me turn back to the dashboard. So in here you can click to view a profile, manage your account. You can also change into dark mode if you want, those who like things being dark. And here you'll see your badges. You can see the badges. We have a number of 91 badges, and all the badges are here. So the badges that you have earned, you'll navigate to the earned section, which involves your earned badges. It will display all the badges that you have there. I don't know why it is not displaying those badges, but it should be displaying those badges. So let us try again. So in here, I don't know why mine is not displaying those badges, but yours should display those badges. So secondly, if you want to change your profile, you just visit that page there, change it to update your profile. It will at that page, it will also show the number of rooms or the rooms that you have engaged in, and your rank and the number of badges, the certificates that you have earned. Here it will show all the certificates that you have earned. You can also download them, and also the badges. All those badges are also here. The badges that you have earned. Currently, these are the badges that I have earned. Here, Mr. Robot, Open Source Intelligence, and also the next page here. You will be displayed all the badges that you have earned. Next thing, you can also create a room here, which I've not created mine. And also we have the yearly activities that TryHackMe provide yearly activities, which I think they are around there September, I think December there. And also you can visit your tickets there that you have the current. Those are the tickets that I got, and the prices that I read in the ticket, the activity that happened last year. Secondly, you can go to manage account, where you can update your password. You can upload an avatar here. That is the image. If you want to change this profile picture here, you can add your full name here. You can also add your biography. You can add your email address. This is my official TryHackMe email address. And also you can add your occupation, and also you can add your GitHub username, and also your personal website. And if you have a LinkedIn username, you can add them here. If you have an Instagram username, you can have them there. Also you can add your technical ability here, and also your Discord. You can also have your Discord account there, which I think I've displayed mine there. So you can also delete your account here. So you can visit password and security. Here you can set up my current password is here, and also you can enable two-factor authentication. Here also TryHackMe offers premium rooms, which majorly if you have subscribed to premium, you'll be able to manage to acquire those certifications, because you cannot get a certificate. You cannot be certified if you have not engaged in those premium rooms. And also there's capture the flag teams here. You can create your team, your couple of friends here, your couple of friends if you want to create friends who you will be working on conquering some wonderful CTF rooms here. So our next stand is understanding how Guided Labs works. So what I will do, I will show you one room, and so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So we have TryHackMe, the resource room with free path. Think of resource, then it is blog. This link here. So with this link, you'll navigate to TryHackMe's free paths, which you will not be required to pay. These are the free paths. So your first free path, level 1, is now how to get started with the TryHackMe. You'll just click here. You will be navigated to that path, where it will display some statements or notes how you get started in how you get started in cybersecurity. You'll have an introduction there. So if you have completed this room, it will have this green background with this round cycle with a tick inside it, and also you will see that the room is completed. If you have not completed the room, it will display the percentage of completion which you are at. Also, you can learn some few things here. As you can see mine here, you'll be able to, so you'll be answering these questions step by step. Like some questions like here, it will not require any answer. So you'll go through then, or what can you call them, the notes provided on this page here, and then fill your answers here and get some points. So let us go back again, and I don't know why my internet is lagging here. So that will be level 1. Level 2, it will be about tooling. You will learn how to use several tools like Nmap, Hydra, Linux, technique used in Linux privilege escalation, and introduction to OSWAP ZAP. It's an alternative to Burp Suite. It is free, it's an open source, and also learn how to use Metasploit. So below here, these are just rooms: Varsity, Blue, Simple, CTF, a beginner friendly CTF, also a bounty hack and Bluetooth. So here you'll be able to learn to use Hydra. Let me click here, I will show you how it works here. So Hydra is a powerful tool used to crack passwords, login credentials, and also to crack SSH. So in here, you are also provided a walkthrough there on top, but be aware that not all rooms provide you with that walkthrough there. So you learn what is Hydra and learn how to install Hydra if it is not installed in your machine, and also so how to start your machine, which is by just clicking this green button here to start your machine. Then you are assigned a machine's IP. You'll be assigned the machine's IP here on top here after the 55 seconds exhaust. So you'll have two choices on how you can work through or work this one out. You can either use your Kali machine or use the attack box that you're provided here. So that it is simple to start the attack box. You just click here, you click it to start the attack box. So you'll have the attack box here. It is a sample of let's say it's a Kali machine, but which runs on cloud. So we'll use that machine to crack this password here, the password that you have been shown here, to carry out this, to crack the machine here. So I will not do it because this video was majorly demonstrating on how you can do so. So you will start the machine. Let us just wait to see how the machine start. But alternatively, if you want to do it on your Kali machine, you will have to download your VPN. Let me show you how it is done. You will navigate to this page here, then you go to access, so that you can download a OpenVPN configuration, so that you will use it to gain access to the machine's network. So you just visit here, then you choose. So if you have a premium account, it will be VIP too, meaning that you have paid or you have subscribed to their subscription. So here you will have just to click here, and then you download the configuration. After downloading the configuration, you will just visit the page that you have downloaded. So far I have mine here at the downloads directory. My username is Baba Junior. Then let me, I've forgotten something. We have to start OpenVPN. So when you're connected to, if you see in initial sequence initialized, then it means you are connected to the network. So to prove that you're connected to the network, you can ping this machine here. If you don't get any response, it means that you're not connected to that network or that machine's network. So you just do ping, then you ping the machine. So if you get the response, it means that you are connected to that network. You can also see the Kali AttackBox machine attacks. I don't know my tongue. The Kali AttackBox machine. You can see it is up and running there. So you can also use it. So when you're connected to the network, you'll be able to see this page here. I think there's a page that you're supposed to navigate here too, which is the machine's IP. You can just navigate it because you are connected to the network. But if you are not connected to this network, you will not be able to connect to this network here. So this is the network, and you are required to have the password and the username, which you don't have. That's why you need to use Hydra to crack the machines. So I think even the word list will be provided. I also think that the word list will also be provided here. The word list, and so I'll not be doing this room as for now, so that we can reduce the video's length, but that's how it is done. So to start the machine, you'll just click here, terminate. So if you are connected to the machine, or you are on the same network with the machine, and you need to add some more hours, or you have not finished working with the machine, you'll just click here, add an hour, so that you can be added another an hour. So to terminate the machine, you just need to click here, terminate, to terminate the machine. So this is what we call a guided lab. You are shown a step-by-step procedure of how you can crack that website's this website, the login credential. This is what we call a step-by-step guided lab. So there's what we call a CTF, which means capturing the flag, where you are given the machine's IP, then you hack into the machine, capture the flags, fill in the flags that you have captured to earn your points. So that one is now what we call a CTF. So to navigate to those CTFs, it is very simple. You can see the AttackBox machine is still on. So to terminate it, you will, or let us just leave it there. We'll use it. You can just terminate it by clicking here to terminate the AttackBox machine. After terminating that machine, I will now show you how you can engage in a CTF. So a CTF, it will not be like this room where you'll be guided step by step on how you can use a tool, or on how you can use anything, or on how you can crack what do we call it, on how you can crack any password with Hydra. It will not be like this. You will be blank. The only thing you'll be given the machine's IP to get started with. So to navigate to those, it is very simple. So you'll visit the LAN tab here, click challenges. When you click on the challenges, after clicking the challenges here, you'll be shown how many challenges you have done. The medium one, easy one, the hardest challenges that you have tackled. So here are the few challenges here. So to engage into a challenge, you just choose the level that you want. So you can sort here by relevance or the newest or most users. So what you'll do, you just click here, you choose the level that you want. So if it is easy, you just click easy. So the status, you want to click that the status that you have not completed, or you have not started, or you have not done. You can choose whichever status that you want here. So for example, I can choose the one that I have not started, and the subscription type. I don't want the one that needs subscription. I only need the one that is free, so that I can access it without paying anything. So here you just click, let us just choose one here for an example. Let us say, let us just click on this one here. Let us see this room. You'll be navigated to that room. Then here you'll see the number of users who did this room and their level, and also the first person who was able to hack into this machine also earned the highest points, not like the others. So you can see here. So in order to do this room, you'll need to click on join, then you click on start the machine. With the button it will be green in color. So you'll just click on join to join the room, and then click on green to start the machine. So you sometimes also, to complete the room with ease, it is sometimes good to read through the instructions here. So like this one is saying that I'm working on a database application called Light. Would you like to try it out? If so, the application is running on port 1337. You can connect to this machine via netcat. You can use the username Smokey in order to get started. and also there's some also for simple questions there. So I think I'm done with that page. The next thing I will show you is how the tips. I think I've shown you how to start your AttackBox. So the next thing I'll show you how to get your first badge. So your first badge, you'll just visit one of these free paths here. After visiting this free path here, there's a first badge that people earn after finishing the first level here. Like this one, it has a badge of open source intelligence. I don't know if it is this one because there's so many rooms that involves open source intelligence. Yeah, it is this one. It has a badge here. You can see the badge. It is available here. So when you complete the room successfully, when there it is 100% there, you will be awarded that badge. This badge, you will be awarded this badge. So that will be your first badge when you are a beginner or you're getting started with this. So the next thing I'll work on is how to start your learning path. A learning path is the path that you want to choose, i.e. you want to, let's say you want to let's say you want to be a junior pen tester, and that is the path that you want to go through or you want to take. You just click here, choose on hands-on training here. After choosing that tag there, you will come here and choose. There's a free roadmap here which you need to complete. There's a free roadmap here. If you want them, you can just click on that free roadmap. Else, you can visit the premium roadmap. You will be told what you'll be needed. So if you want to start with pre-security, you just click on pre-security and you'll be taken to, let me just show you. Yeah. When you click on pre-security, you'll be the page will display what is required of you to carry out this path. That is a pre-security path, that is introduction to cybersecurity. You'll be required to do this offensive security, intro, defensive. You also have some basic knowledge in networking, and also know how the web works, and also know the Linux fundamentals, and also learn Windows fundamentals. But in order to carry out this learning paths premium, you will be required to pay. And to go to premium is very simple. Just click here, go to premium, then you subscribe. You'll be required to subscribe. I think even they have reduced the price. It used to be $14 per month, but now I can see the price. It is affordable, $6 per month. That is quite good. I can see TryHackMe is trying its level best to make everyone. So this will be the required amount that you will be required to be paying monthly, so that you can go to premium. So you just add your zip code or whatever, and you just click on the next page there, and you will pay. You will be required to pay $6 per month. So this one is for I think monthly, and also you will have the knowledge of. You'll also be aware of why do you need the premium. Well, using TryHackMe, you will also get faster machines. You'll get access to their network through premium VPN, full access to learning path. So like there's some good rooms here that you will be required to use. Like let's say I want to search something here, like Steel Mountains. if you are a fan of Steel Mountains from Mr. Robot, I think that is not good. Yeah, Steel Mountains. I don't know. I'm not getting that. I don't know how that room is called, but Steel Mountains is one of the rooms that you will be required to have a premium subscription. So I've already talked on streaks, on how you earn those streaks, and the advantages of having a premium TryHackMe account. So on our next video, I'll be showing you how you can start with the CTF, one of the CTFs. Majorly I will start with this. I will start with this here. I will show you how we start them, how we do it by joining the room, and how you start the machine and how you do your enumeration. I will take you a step by step on how we go through or starting out to hack or your learning career, learning path in cybersecurity. With much said and done, peace.